not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try.
It's your girl Isha, the plus size diva, back at it again with another video. And sorry, Miss Monique, but I'm on camera in my body, okay? But that's because I got a wig to lay. So I have a 20-inch body wave closure wig that I will be preparing and installing on YouTube. Okay. It's a new month, new consistency, and new opportunities. So this is a 20-inch closure wig. But before we jump to the video and I get into the nitty-gritty of things, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss a video, and share this. This is for my beginner-friendly girls. So y'all share this video so I can help other beginners as well learn how to install their own wig. So like I said, I got this wig from Beautiful and Natural Hair. It's an Amazon company. It's 100% human hair. No, this video is not sponsored whatsoever, but soon come, you feel me? So this wig came with a wig cap, melt band, which I love, and basically, you know, this goes on the back of the wig to secure it. So lace band, I gotta sew it into my wig cap, and I might, because I don't know if this gonna be glueless or glue. I don't know. I just don't know. So yeah, but I got a melt band already from Pumpkin's Creation. They gave me the lashes to go with it. And they're kind of cute because I'm into like soft lashes right about now. So right now, okay, go throw it in the trash. So my nieces and nephews here, so I'm kind of speeding through this. But like I said, this is a 4x4 closure, 20 inches, pretty good hair. Haven't had no shedding, minimum, literally minimum. No all that, you know, crazy funny smell of hair when it comes from like a company, and it's full, which I love. So I'm about to bleach my closure, and I already got my mixture ready, bleaching powder and the 40 developer. So I gotta be careful with this, but you know, I ain't trying to wait too long for it to bleach. Oof. Yeah, and I also will be laying it with the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond adhesive, and I have super hold for my edges. So I'm pretty much prepared. This is everything you would need for laying your own wig and for your install. This is to secure it. If you go glueless, I would recommend some wrapping lotion. This is my 40 bleach developer, and here's my powder. So you will need all these things to achieve a beautiful install. Yeah, my head cut off, but we're focusing on the hair right now. So I will begin bleaching. As I stated before, this is a 4x4 closure wig. So yeah, I'm a little fancy. I got the little mixer bowl and the you know, bleaching utensil. And it was only 99 cents, so I'm not mad at it. And like I said, you want yours to be like a, you don't want it loose. You want a thick consistency, kind of. Not too thick that you can't smear it, but thick enough, you feel me? Like me. Nah, but.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. To everybody else it will just hold me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make.
I decided to go with the side part action. Yeah. So I'm gonna spray. I'm not using any lace glue or anything because I don't plan on keeping it on like that long.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just hold me back. But I love when we make up like that.
So I'm back. I got my milk bed on. Like I said, I'm doing the side part because I'm side part curly. So yeah, it's been a lot going on this morning. People running in and out. So this video gonna be kind of all over the place, but y'all see me laid with my Ebin, and I usually are about to style. It's smoky. I'm a wand curl girly, and it's just my first time curling this hair. Like I said before, you want to do it away from your face. So yeah, I got a wand curler that I live by. A friend of mine at the time, she let me have this, so shout out to her because I've used it ever since. I had it for like, I don't know, should I
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just so. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off.